Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in this video, I'll be showing you how I achieved this butterfly braid.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
So jumping straight into this video, my hair is already flat ironed. I already washed it. So I'm just going to comb it up. And before I put my hair in a ponytail, I'm going to comb down the hairs I'm going to use as my baby hair. So sometimes it's easier for me to put my hair in a ponytail before I apply the gel. So that is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm combing up my hair how I would like it to sit, and then I'll apply the gel. And I'll be using the Clear Eco Styling Gel. So what you want to do is spread the gel all over the hair. And if your hair is natural, my hair is natural, but I can use gel without it curling up. If your hair is natural, I would suggest using like a got2b gel, holding spray, or even an edge control, something that will make it slick, because I know gel doesn't go with everybody's hair texture. So once I've applied the gel everywhere around my head, I always remove my band and then comb it through, because you can see the hair, it's not as smooth once you start combing it through. So I comb it through and then I apply back the band in order to secure my ponytail. I'm just going in with my wrap it up strip and I'm just tying it down. That way my hair doesn't curl up and it lays flat and it just dries like this. So I will be using pre-stretched braiding hair to do this ponytail, and I'm going in pieces. So one of the bundles I split in half, and here is how I am attaching the braiding hair. So one end of the braiding hair I'm laying down on my ponytail, and the next end is laying on my face. So I'm using a rubber band and I'm attaching the part that's laying on my ponytail, and I'm just attaching it with my ponytail. So it's all going to be one. And once that is done, I'm going to take the part that's laying on my forehead and I'm just going to bring it back. So it's all just a one ponytail, easy as that. I also use a piece and I just secure it because this is what I'll be using to wrap around the band of my ponytail. Now, because I will be feeding in pieces to my ponytail to make it longer, I am just spreading the hair into smaller pieces. That way it's easier for me to just pick up and continue braiding. So now I'm just starting my braid, my regular 3-strand braid, and I'm just going to start braiding and also taking up pieces and feeding it in my ponytail. So now that my braid is done, I'm going to go ahead with the piece I left out, and I'm just going to wrap it around my band. I'm using the 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 helmet head spray just to give it a hold, and I'm just going to wrap it around my band like you see me doing. Once I've done that, I'm going to start playing around with my braid, and this is what's giving that butterfly effect. I'm just spreading the sides of the braid out, and as you can see, it makes it appear like larger. It just gives it that different look. So that's exactly what you see me doing now, and I'm just going to play with it and continue doing this until I like it, until it is what I want it to be. So the next step, I'll be using my small flat iron, and I am going to curl my edges, as you can see. So this is gonna give my baby hairs a different type of look. So I'm gonna curl them, and I'm curling them upwards, and then I'm going to use, of course, my ebon edge control, and I'm going to just style them. honestly, guys, the baby hair is probably the most complicated part with this hairstyle, but this was the outcome. I really liked it. It came out super cute. So yeah, I think you guys should just try it. Let me know how it goes. Tag me on Instagram if you guys do try it out at nae.simone. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.